Welcome to Relocating to Disney. Well, today we're at Wild, Florida. Come along with us.
We are going to start in the gift shop and then head over to the Wildlife and Nature Center. The Wildlife and Nature Center is a zoo for tropical animals. Most of these birds have been donated to Wild, Florida. These birds are known for talking, but we tried everything and we couldn't get them to talk to us.
So Wild, Florida has this animal walk area that you can go through. It also has a drive-through safari, and it also has some boat rides, swamp boat rides. So lots of activities to do here. They have a lot of alligators here at Wild, Florida. Probably not as extensive as Gatorland, but it's pretty close. Crusher is a 1,000-pound alligator, and you can come and they'll do a show every day with him. People love seeing gators, so we're going to spend some time here looking at all the different gators that they have, and then we're going to move on and see what other animals they have. The average male gator could be anywhere from 500 to 600 pounds. Wild, Florida has a wide variety of alligators and crocodiles, from babies all the way up to full-grown adults. They run a daily show where they feed the alligators chicken hung from a string, which makes the alligators have to jump out of the water to try to get some.
Swallow rocks too to aid in mechanical digestion, and those are known as gastroliths. All right, now we have another crocodile that just showed up. So we have some crocodiles in this lake as well. We have about 10 in this pond. That one right under the chicken, her name is Queso. She's that small, lighter colored one. If every point in the show, it looks like Peter is trying to intentionally keep the chicken away from Queso. That is because that is exactly what we're trying to do. As well as Clyde, because he already caught his first piece. So like I was kind of saying just a moment ago, these are cold-blooded reptiles, which means they have to...
You can pay to feed the alligators, and what they're feeding them is actually hot dogs. An easy way to tell the difference between a crocodile and an alligator is that a crocodile has a narrow snout. You can go into the aviary cage and feed the birds.
Hawk Swamp is a raised boardwalk that takes you through the Hawk's Swamp, so you can take a look at different cypress trees and keep an eye out for any kind of animals. We didn't see any animals other than lots of spiders, but there are supposed to be frogs and all kinds of different things in here. So these are cypress trees, and in the swamp you can see these stubs that are sticking up. That's part of the root system. They're called knees. Cypress trees can live for up to 500 years. And a playground for the kids.
Wild Florida has a lot of different kinds of lemurs. These are ring-tailed lemurs. If you like lemurs, there's a package you can buy where you get a chance to go in the cage and interact with the lemur and even feed them.
Hey, look, it's a squirrel monkey. No, not me, in the cage back there.
Too fast. So damn
There's a lot of opportunities that you can purchase to go into the cages and have experiences with the animals and even feed them.
Hey, look, a petting zoo.
At the petting zoo, you can buy ice cream cones filled with food to feed the animals, and then you can go inside and pet them and feed them. This lemur is just hanging around in a hammock.
Oh, this is so much fun. We've spent over 4 hours here, just walking around looking at the animals and stuff. There's a couple of shows, a lot of fun. If you've got kids, they would have so much fun here, petting zoo and seeing the alligators and all the different animals. And this was a great trip. Okay, that's it for Wild Florida. Thank you for watching.